The first batch of the Sputnik V vaccine against COVID-19, developed by Russia's Gamaleya National Research Center of Epidemiology and Microbiology and the Russian Direct Investment Fund (RDIF), has been released into civil circulation. Regional deliveries are planned in the nearest future, the Russian Health Ministry informs. The Russian Health Ministry registered the first vaccine against COVID-19, named Sputnik V, on August 11th. Condemning the brutal gang rape and murder of a 14-year-old girl by unknown persons on September 2nd last at Mayang, Imphal, the Sangayumpham Kuno Youth Development Organization (SKYDO) held a protest at Sangayumpham Kuno last evening. The gang rape and murder incident sparked outrage across the state. The demonstrators held placards demanding speedy justice for the victim and her family. Banshiboton Youth Club (BYC) today condemned the mysterious death of Kundrakpam Banita from Kangabok Part 1, Awang Lekai. The 26-year-old housewife was found hanging yesterday at her Bishnupur Thiam Lekai Ward No. 8 residence. Banita married Laishram Bisorjit 6 months ago. BYC urged the government to find out the truth behind her death. Even as more services and businesses reopen across the country, India's coronavirus situation continues to be one of the worst in the world in terms of daily rise in cases. India has been reporting over 90,000 daily COVID-19 cases for the past few days, and some cities, which earlier managed to bring down the number of daily infections, are now witnessing another round of rapid surge. While metro services resumed in many states under the new unlock guidelines, some experts indicate that India is facing a second wave and added that the COVID-19 curve may not flatten very soon. Manipur has not reported any deaths related to COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. The cumulative number of deaths stands at 38, while the total caseload is 7,106 till now. The number of active cases is 1,710 after 5,358 were discharged after recovery. The state COVID-19 Common Control Room said Manipur's recovery rate is 75.40% as of now. In the past 24 hours, 64 persons from general population and 20 personnel from Central Armed Police Force (CAPF) were tested positive for COVID-19 in the state. Of this, Imphal East recorded the highest number of positive cases at 16. CRPF Deputy Commandant Moirangthim Somarani Devi today distributed 1,000 face masks to the residents of Kundrakpam in Imphal East through the help of volunteers of Northern Students Club (NSC) Kundrakpam Awang Lekai. Moirangthim Somarani Devi said she donated the face masks in view of the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic situation and in memory of her late brother Moirangthim Ajit Singh. Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur (PWFM) today offered Langban Tarpon at various locations of Manipur. The ritual showed respect to departed writers and historians of the state, the forum said. PWFM Secretary Rakesh Naurim during the event stressed on the roles of Manipuri writers and historians in shaping the society and how their works have inspired the present generation. Kolyabur Lok Sabha MP Gaurav Gogoi urged Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to ensure the safe return of 5 youths from Arunachal Pradesh who have allegedly been abducted by Chinese People's Liberation Army (PLA). Gogoi said he is writing to Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to register his grave concern regarding the condition of the 5 young men from Arunachal Pradesh that have gone missing from the Upper Subansiri district during a hunting exercise. United States President Donald Trump has hinted that a COVID-19 vaccine could be available much before the November 3rd election, even as his political rival Joe Biden sought more transparency on the issue. Trump's comments came days after Vice Presidential nominee Kamala Harris said she would not take Trump's word on the safety and efficacy of an antivirus vaccine if one was ready before the US presidential vote. David Attenborough, world-renowned broadcaster and natural historian, has been presented with the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2019 by the Indira Gandhi Memorial Trust. According to a media report, David Attenborough was given the prize for revealing the wonders of the natural world, educating and entertaining generations of people through his films and books, for tirelessly working to awaken humankind to the need to preserve and protect the biodiversity on our planet, and advocating the necessity to live a sustainable and harmonious way of life, working with rather than against nature, the citation read.